Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Vanessa, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I teach entrepreneurs how to start and grow their online hair care line, skincare brand, or cosmetic line. And today, I'm super excited to do this live with you guys because if you don't know already, I am rebranding my cosmetic skincare line, and I have been ordering some things, making some things, and we are getting ready to launch within the next week. And if you guys haven't watched my last video, which why haven't you guys, and why haven't you subscribed? So if you haven't, make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss another video like this again. But I'm excited because in the last couple of videos I was talking about Alibaba and how I was able to customize and make my own customized eyeshadow palette with Alibaba.com, and I'm just really excited to share with you guys today the palettes and do a live unboxing with you and show you guys. I already done my makeup. Like I said, it's 8 o'clock at night and you know, it just got here, but I did want to do reaction and unboxing with you because you know, it's just super exciting. And I want to let you guys know, if you guys don't know and you guys want to know where you guys can make your own eyeshadow palette, I made mine off of Alibaba.com. And if you guys don't know what Alibaba.com is, it is the biggest business to business platform marketplace where you guys can go and find any type of product that you guys want to be able to customize and create and make it your own. So I found my supplier off of Alibaba.com. I, talked back and forth with them. I talked about it in my last video to be able to customize my eyeshadows. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. So excited. I was able to customize my eyeshadows, pick the colors that I wanted, pick the design for the cover. I was able to name the colors. And so it was just a really fun process. And so if you guys are wanting to know how you guys can customize your guys' own eyeshadow palette using vendors from Alibaba.com, then make sure you guys watch my last video where I talked about how to make customized combs for your hair care line, because I talked to you guys and actually show you how to find vendors on Alibaba.com so that you guys can, if you want, private label cosmetics, private label your hair care line, or even customize where it's not really private labeled because it's not like it was a brand that I purchased from and then put my own logo on. It's actually a vendor off of Alibaba.com that I had been in contact with for months actually, and they helped me make my dreams come true and create my own eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna stop talking because I feel like I'm rambling right now. If you guys do like this video and you guys do want to see more videos regarding like my cosmetic brand and the skincare line and just going through the journey of this, so make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel so you guys won't miss out on any more videos like this. And let me know down in the comments what you guys think about my new haircuts. I will be coming out with some new hair tutorials because I had to cut my hair due to just some damage and just needing a new fresh look. So yeah, on to the video. So here is the box that it came in. I just need to get some scissors and I'm gonna open it right up. Alrighty you guys, so I'm gonna get ready to unbox this big box. I hope you guys can see. Let me just bring it down on it. Alrighty guys, so I'm currently, sorry buddy. I'm currently sitting on the floor and I'm getting ready to unbox my customized eyeshadow palette. So I haven't seen it or anything, so I'm super excited. They put so much tape on here. So again, if you guys don't know what Alibaba.com is, it is the world's largest business-to-business marketplace where you guys can find any and everything for your online business needs. They have so many different products that you guys can customize for your hair care line, skincare line, or cosmetic brand. And the vendors off of Alibaba.com are very easy to work with. If you have any questions like I did, like in my last video I talked about having tons of questions and things like that, and they weren't mad of the months of going back and forth with color names and color the cover of my palette and everything. They were just very easy to work with. And so I highly recommend you guys, if you are looking into private labeling hair care, your hair care line, private labeling any hair care products, skincare products, or cosmetic products, that you guys do check out Alibaba.com for your business needs. And if you guys need, I do have a link down below where you guys can go directly to Alibaba.com and check out all of the vendors that they have so that you guys can get started on your business. So to the fun stuff. They have it packed like my goodness. Just even now, and you guys see like cosmetics and, you know, eyeshadow palettes in the store and in the mall, and then it's just like the fact that I was able to create my own, and I have so many ideas. Like this is just the first one because it's summer, and I wanted to do a palette of all of the colors that I really personally love to use, which are like nudes and browns and glitter and stuff like that. And I have so many more ideas for like just different themes that I want to do for Royalty Beauty. And so this is just so amazing that I'm actually able to do this. Like this is a dream come true. I don't know about you, but I feel like every girl would want their own eyeshadow palette. Like who wouldn't? And they're just so cute. Oh my god. So this is what they came look like. Ooh. So they look like this, and we're just gonna dun 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 dun. Isn't that cool? Oh, oops. Let's just pop that back in. But oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, so this is the Royalty Beauty The Golden Age eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I wanted it to kind of, excuse me. So like I said, I kind of wanted, you know, that bronze. Oh my gosh, it's just so like high quality. Like this is so cool. Like one day we're gonna be in stores, okay? But I really wanted to play off the theme of summer, golden, bronze colors, all the colors that I like. So again, here is the front. And then we have the back, and this is actually the cover. So it with my supplier, it actually comes with my Alibaba supplier. It actually comes with the cover, and then this is what it looks like. It's the same things on the back, and let's do it. Oh my goodness! And I wanted it to open up. I wanted it to open up kind of like a book. When you open, oh my gosh, they look so beautiful in person. They just look so cool. I can't wait to use these. Like, look, 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 you guys. Look at these colors. So I named them. Let me show you the names. Let's focus, camera. Okay, so here's some names. We have Rain, like, you know, Rain, We Bosses, Trophy Wife, 24 Karat Gold, Royalty, Imani, Crown, Goddess, Topaz, Divine, Rags to Riches, Diamond Dust, and Lionessa, which is me. Oh my goodness. So this is super, super cool. Do you guys, like, should I do a swatch test? So you guys saw the inside, you guys saw the outside. You just open it up, and all of the colors are like this. I have so many more ideas for the book themed style, and I have some other ones. Oh my god, I just messed it up. Look. Well, this one will be mine. It's okay. Okay, I have to give one to me and one to another friend later, so that's okay. So I'm gonna do a swatch test, okay, because I feel like we should just do it so I can show you guys. And again, I'm about to, you know, get the camera ready to the swatch test so I can show you guys what these look like. But again, if you guys do want to get your own customized eyeshadow palettes, make sure that you guys check out Alibaba.com for your own customizable eyeshadow palettes. You can get highlighters, lip liners, lip gloss. Like, you can get anything that you want for your cosmetic or skincare line on Alibaba.com and get it customized like I did. Like, I literally designed this thing I designed in Canva, and I sent them the artwork, and they were able to print it, and it's super cool. So let's do the swatches. Alrighty guys, so this is the palette. This is what it looks like, and you just open it up like this, and we have the colors, and I'm gonna set this down. So we're gonna do Rain. What it looks like, pigmented. Okay, it's Rain. Let's try Trophy Wife. This is my first time swatching, so I'm gonna have to get better at this, you guys. Then we have Rain. Ooh, that one looks good. I don't know why it's not focusing. Okay, Rain. Then we're gonna try 24 Karat. Ooh, that one is very glittery. Yes, okay. Let's try Royalty. Okay, yes. Then we need a different finger because Imani's too light. Ooh, I like that one. So far, like, these two are my favorite. Okay, I need to wash my hands so I can use them again. That's what we're working with so far. Now we're gonna try Goddess. Okay, that one's kind of hard. This is a matte, so imagine. Okay, so this one is not that bright, or it might just be I'm getting in the darker tone. Okay. Then we have Topaz. Okay. Then we're gonna do Divine. Oh, that one's kind of hard to see. Let's do it on another one. Okay, it's kind of hard to see that one. A little bit. Then we're gonna do Rags to Riches. Let me just wipe it. Okay, let's do Rags to Riches. Okay. Diamond Dust. Ooh. And last but not least, Lionessa. Oh my gosh, you guys can see, like, these are very pigmented. Like, this is the first time that I've ever done a swatch test and the eyeshadows look this well. So I really can't wait to use them. And yeah, I hope that you guys liked it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys learned something, and I hope you guys enjoyed my swatch test. This is just so amazing. I'm so excited to take this new journey into the cosmetics world and just come out with these like amazing palettes and products, and I just hope that you guys love them and that you guys support me. So if you guys do want to be part of the launch, make sure that you guys check out www.royaltybeautybrand.com, enter in your email address so that when we launch, I will send you guys an exclusive discount code so that you guys can get a discount and get your hands on some of the products that I have. I'm launching some cosmetics as well as some skincare products, so I just hope that you guys really like them, and I cannot wait to see where this journey takes me from going from hair care to skin and cosmetics, and I just love it all. I just want to stay beautiful forever. So thank you guys so much again for watching. Make sure that you guys check out again Alibaba.com for all your business and cosmetics needs, so then you guys get yourself your own palette like this, and so that you guys can start your own business. Okay, so thanks again so much for watching. Make sure that you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.